I wanna demonstrate you how to add dark and moody color grade effect in Premiere Pro. Let's go! First of all, go to Effects and write Lumetri Color. Drag your Lumetri Color effect to your video. Come back to Effects Control. Scroll a little bit down. And expand the Creative. By the saturation, let's write 50. By the black, -50. By shadows, -50. As the result, we gave to our video the dark and moody appearance. Since this moment, we wanna also to brighten up our clip. For this reason, we are going to increase the whites to 43. You can also play a little bit with the contrast to increase the moody effect. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Guys, we are trying to make this channel better and better. Let's grow together. Put your like and subscribe.